In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer pictures from DJI Smart Controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is the most common and effective method to transfer pictures from your DJI Smart Controller. For this particular method, we will be using the SD card available on the device. And by transferring the pictures using this SD card, you will be able to back them up, copy, and do whatever you wish. So all that you have to do is remove the SD card from the device that is in sync with the DJI Smart Controller. All of your pictures, the videos, anything related to your storage and your data will be available on this SD card. So remove it from your DJI device and now plug it into a PC. You can use one of these USB SD card readers, or if your specific laptop or device has an SD card reader, then you can pop it directly in there. And immediately upon doing this, all of the files will be accessible on your Explorer. So if you are on Windows, open the File Explorer and you will see the SD card available in there. Then you can transfer all of the files into the internal storage of the PC, the laptop, or any other device that you have connected. It's as simple as using the SD card connected with your DJI Smart Controller. All of your data is stored in here, including pictures, so your photos, videos, anything else that you have taken using your DJI devices, and you can transfer it back and forth between your PC, laptop, or even a smartphone. Just purchase any of these SD card readers, and you will be able to plug the SD card directly into it. Usually they will be connected with a USB cable, allowing you to read all of the data on the SD card that you connect. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer pictures from DJI Smart Controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.